Hey there, this is David with intergalacticmonetary.com, and this is a very brief tutorial on how to use my monthly personal cash flow calculator. Okay, so there's four sections, two for income, monthly and annual, and two for expenses, also monthly and annual. At the bottom, there's your monthly personal cash flow summary. And of course, this total will update as you make changes to the spreadsheet. Okay, so I'm assuming everyone has past experience with Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. So the only thing that you really need to know is that if you do need to add additional rows, it's important that you copy an existing row and then paste into the section. And you'll see why that's important here in a minute. To do that, let's say, as an example, we bought a third rental property. I would copy the entire row. So in Mac, I'm just doing a control click right there. That's right click if you're using a Windows machine. Then I'm going to insert one below and then paste. So we'll call this rental 3. And you'll notice that a couple of things have happened. Number one, this value has adjusted accordingly, your total for monthly income. At the bottom, your personal cash flow has adjusted by the same amount. If you do this and you find that this total is not updating, it's probably because the formula in this cell is not adding your newest row. So to check that, just click on the cell for the total, and you can see the formula up here. In this case, we're summing all the rows of this section. In that case, it's rows 11 through 14. We're summing H11 to H14 right here, so yes, we've added them correctly. But this does beg the question, if our content, our data is in column B, why were we just summing columns, everything from column H? And this is why it's important to copy and paste these new rows as we just kind of went over. Column H is where I'm actually storing all the actual values. And the reason I do that is because of this enabled feature right here. To see these values, you can just click on the column, change the text color back to black, and it just reflects exactly what's here. But again, it's being done this way so we can use this enabled flag. So what does the enabled flag allow you to do? The enabled flag just allows you to quickly turn on or turn off any of your entries so you can see how your cash flow will adjust. So when there's a 1 in the column, it's turned on. If you change it to a 0 or you just delete it, it's turned off. You can see here the total is actually updated to 0 since we just turned it off. So what's the benefit of doing it this way? Well, the benefit is that you don't have to go back and actually add the entire value. You can just add back the 1 or the flag if you just want to re-enable it. And this gets particularly useful if you have a bunch of expenses, like say we're considering quitting our jobs like I want to do one day and traveling the world pretty much full time. We can turn off all of our expenses just to kind of see how much income we'd have left if we were to sell our car, sell our house, and get rid of internet. This is just, of course, an example. That'd be kind of extreme, but um, that's the benefit. So if you ever have any problems with this, send me an email or just add a comment on one of the posts. But this is pretty much it. So have fun with this, and I'll talk to you soon.